Are you looking for hassle-free dumpster rental in Collinsville, Oklahoma? Look no further. Helping Cans LLC is here to make your cleanup projects a breeze. Whether you're renovating your home, clearing out clutter, or working on a construction project, we understand that managing waste can be a daunting task. That's where Helping Cans LLC comes in. We offer reliable and affordable dumpster rental services that fit your needs. Choose from a range of dumpster sizes to accommodate any project, from our compact 10-yard bins to our spacious 40-yard containers. Our easy-to-use dumpsters are delivered right to your doorstep, so you can focus on what matters most, your project. We take pride in our exceptional customer service. Our team is here to answer any questions you may have and ensure your experience is smooth from start to finish. With Helping Cans LLC, you'll experience a hassle-free dumpster rental process, leaving you with a clean and organized space. Make your cleanup project a breeze. Contact Helping Cans LLC and let us take care of the mess while you focus on what matters. Visit our website at www.helpingcans.com. Dumpster Rental Collinsville OK to explore our rental options and pricing. Ready to rent a dumpster? Call us today at 918-216-0151, and one of our friendly representatives will assist you. Helping Cans LLC, simplifying cleanup, one dumpster at a time.